So these are absolutely gorgeous. Let me give you a closer look at these beautiful blinds. Hi, I'm Tabby. Today I'm going to give my review of these two bamboo blinds. I received these in two different styles, so I'm going to give you a close-up look at each of them and tell you a little bit more about them. I love the look that this gives on my back porch. These are absolutely beautiful and very well made. They feel very durable. One is this tightly stacked bamboo reed design, and the other is an alternating pattern of larger bamboo reeds and smaller bamboo reeds with like a beautiful stitching. They have this kind of simple pulley system. The cord runs across the back and down and around so that the blinds can roll up. The cord system is like most blinds. To release it, you kind of pull in a little bit and then you can let it down or up. To lock it, you push out with the cord and it will lock in place. So I personally think both of these are really beautiful. They are definitely my style. So here's a look at that installation process.
They do provide clear and easy to understand instructions.
My husband was able to help me get these put up, and the process was quite simple. It really just came down to marking where the hooks needed to go and making sure that the blinds were level. So all in all, installation was a breeze. Since it was put on our back porch, it was screwed directly into wood and we didn't need to place the drywall anchors. However, they do include drywall anchors for you if you are installing them in your house. And it can be installed with the hooks hanging outwards or from the ceiling, so you have options in the way that you put this up. This is going to give privacy and shade, but it's still going to let breeze pass through because it's not fully closed off, and there is still some visibility through it. But from the outside looking in, there's going to be great privacy. So it's no hassle at all to roll them up, let in some more light or visibility if you've got kids playing in the backyard. I hope you enjoyed getting to see these blinds and kind of figure out which one you like best. If you were looking for some bamboo blinds, I would definitely check these out. You can customize the size to what you need, and it's super easy and user-friendly.